there's a couple reasons why I could see why you wouldn't want to take the course. And there's a couple reasons for a couple different people. Let's talk about it. Let's just get into it. What's the word, y'all? How y'all doing, man? It's good to be here. Good to see you here. How y'all doing, man? For real. What's been going on? Hey, I've been alright, just been working. That's all. Just been working. Another day, another dollar is what they say, right? I am V. I'm your host for today, and today we're gonna talk about why you shouldn't take the Google UX UI course. Right? Now, am I anti-Google? Am I anti-courses? Not at all. Now, the first reason why I think people shouldn't take the course is because it costs. In today's world, anything that you want to learn can be learned on YouTube. Between Google and YouTube, and now this AI that's out here, you can learn anything that you want to learn free of charge. That being said, I'm also from a place where money is not of abundance, right? I am from a lower class, Like, I grew up in the hood, you know what I mean? So I understand not having money. Now the cost is like $40, $50 a month. And that can make or break people. I get it. I'm not, no judgment here. I get it. I'm not judging nobody. But $40 or $50 is a bill or some food. So if you think you can learn this on your own, that could be a deterrent. Like $40 or $50 a month? For how long? The course, they say, is 6 months if you do 10 hours a week or something like that. But suppose you got other stuff going on in your life. This course could take a year. That's $50 a month for a year. Hey, that's definitely a bill. It's a light bill, gas bill, phone bill, credit card bill. It's a bill. So if you think that price is too much, that's one of the reasons why you shouldn't be taking this course. Now you have to go find the information on your own, but it's possible. The next reason why I don't like this course is because of the feedback. Now, I thought the course was gonna be, did I tell you I took the course? I took the course. I thought the course was gonna be graded by teachers teaching the course, but it's not. It's graded by peers, peer review. So when you have an assignment, say they want you to make an app, right? They want to see the wireframes, and you have to turn this into the classroom, but it's peer review, meaning that other students are grading your work. Well, this is kind of counterintuitive if we all learning the same thing. So nobody really knows more than the next person, and I want the professional to give me advice, not the person who's learning with me to give me the advice. And that's throughout the whole course. It's peer reviewed through the whole course. So this is where being a graphic designer already hurt me, because when I was doing peer reviews, I'm levels above people that's just starting because of my graphic design background. So I know that my projects weren't being graded harshly enough for me. I want constructive criticism. I want the hard, this is terrible. I want that type of criticism to push me to get better. But for the most part, I wasn't getting that type of criticism. Also, being as though that it's peer reviewed, that means that if somebody just don't feel like looking at your stuff thoroughly, then they just gonna give you an A or F. You know what I'm saying? For example, did the app have home buttons? And if I don't feel like doing this, and I just know I gotta grade your work, I'm just gonna say no, or I'm just gonna say yes. I'm not even gonna look at it. So that's the problem with peer review in an unmoderated type setting, is that there's no integrity. I'm not gonna say there's no integrity. There's no mandate on integrity. The next reason why I think that you shouldn't take the Google UX UI class is because it's kind of redundant. The training nodes repeat themselves over and over again. Now, I know that's how some people learn, right? Some people need to be told over and over, they need to get it drilled in. But some people are also on the other spectrum where I heard you the first time, fam. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to keep on telling me the same thing over and over and over and over again. So from my opinion, I think there was too much redundancy and not enough forward motion in the course. Like it's like doing busy work. You know, it's time consuming, but this is something that I've done already. You know I could do it. Stop making me do it. You know what I'm saying? So you get some of that in the course as well. So that's me though, you know. Last but not least, and this could be a deterrent. I mean, I'm just gonna put it out there. There's no guarantee on getting a job, right? So you would figure if you're taking a Google UX UI course that maybe that you can get a job at Google. That was my whole point. Like I was trying to work for Google, you know what I mean? But there's no job guarantee, you know what I'm saying? So when you take the course, just know that you're taking the course just to enhance your skills and possibly throw it on your resume and maybe you can get a job. Maybe you can get a job. I took the course in September. I filled out about 50, 60 applications for UX UI. And the whole problem was I didn't have corporate UX UI experience. And you're not gonna get that taking this course. So don't take this course thinking that you're gonna just, I mean, you can get lucky or you can know somebody that knows somebody or something like that. But if you're a person like me that just took the course thinking that I'm gonna throw this on my resume and I'm be out here UX UI and UX UI, and if I can say that, but that's not how it works. So no job guarantee can really be a damper on the mood. You know what I'm saying? Like you would hope that you would get a job from this, and I hope you get a job from this. If you decide to take the class, I hope you get a job from this. I'm still trying, and I'm gonna keep trying, but nothing has come to me yet. So that's it. Those are the reasons why. If you didn't want to take the course and you needed a reason why, those are the reasons why. Look, that's it for today, y'all. Hit the likes, hit the subscribes. Follow me on YouTube, obviously. Subscribe. Hit the comments. Do that right now. I'm gonna give you a second. Did you do it? No, you didn't. Do it again. No, don't do it again because you're gonna take your like away. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on LinkedIn. Hey, I'm working. Play Vision Designs. See y'all next time. Peace.